Hello, everyone, welcome back to my channel and let's to the video. The eagle is one of the types of predatory birds. The eagle refers to large birds of prey from the Accipitridae tribe, especially the genus Aquila.
Length of life: bald eagle, 20 to 30 years, crowned eagle, 14 years length, golden eagle, 66 to 100 centimeters, harp eagle, 99 centimeters, mass, bald eagle, 3 to 6.3 kilograms, golden eagle, 3.6 to 6.7 kilograms, wingspan, bald eagle, 1.8 to 2.3 meters. The shape of the eagle's beak is sharp and hooked to make it easier for it to tear the skin and flesh of its prey. The curved downward and very sharp shape of the beak is characteristic of carnivorous birds. Speed: bald eagle, 120 to 160 km per hour, golden eagle, 320 km per hour, red-tailed eagle, 190 km per hour. The eagle is a predatory animal. The main food is small mammals such as mice, squirrels, lizards, fish and chickens, as well as types of insects depending on their body size. There are some eagles that catch fish as their main food. Usually the eagle lives in water areas. The hooves are sharp, curved and pointed. This foot shape is usually owned by carnivorous or meat-eating birds. For example, eagles and eagles. These sharp and curved nails serve to grip prey. Eagles are animals that really care for their children. Unique facts about the eagle, the king of space eagle. Physical characteristics: 1. Eagles are warm-blooded animals. 2. The eagle's eyesight is very sharp and the flight speed is extraordinary. 4. Laying eggs is a way for eagles to reproduce. 5. Eagles are monogamous. 6. Breeding eagles is difficult. 5. Strong beaks and claws are used by eagles for hunting. 6. The lifespan of eagles is quite long. 7. To avoid death, the eagle transforms. 8. Eagles always eat fresh meat. 9. Eagles are friends with storms. 10. Eagle chicks are trained to fly in an extreme way. Eagle is one of the main predators in the forest. These animals are called predators because they make other animals their prey. Eagles are at the highest level in the food chain in the ecosystem. So little information about the eagle. Don't forget to like, comments and subscribe. Thank you for watching.